What is good? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got two interior parts I'm just going to do a review on for the Tacoma. Is the glove box organizer and the center console organizer. If your glove box looks anything like mine, half the time it's just a mess. Everything falls out when you try to take anything out. So I purchased them both on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description, but let's see how these things work, if they're any good quality or worth getting at all. See how it works out. Alright, let's check out how dirty this is. I mean, it's not that bad. I've seen some worse ones. On a scale of 1 to terrible, not that bad. These, they'll be the death of you. Trying to find that. So let's see. Alright. There we go. So let's see how it fits. Alright, so the directions are pretty simple, self-explanatory. It angles back, that goes towards the front of the car with this cutout like that. Comes with two other pieces, a bigger one and a smaller one. So they both can only go in one slot, so makes it pretty easy. Pop it in. Same thing. These angled parts goes towards you if you're sitting in the car. Pop it in, and that's it. Slides right in. See how it works. It's pretty sturdy in there, not too flimsy. That's what it looks like. It's got two big spots at the top to put stuff, three little ones at the bottom. Put some stuff in there, see how it works out. This will put all the books, and that doesn't really fit. These fit good. This we're gonna have to bend that a little bit. Books up there. Registration there. Lock key for the wheels over here. Glasses. We'll put the top of registration. Gloves. Chargers. Pens and Advil. Pretty good. Let's take a look at it now. Pretty good. I like it. Organized. Not falling all over the place. I'd buy it. Again, I'll put the link in the description. I would recommend if you're a messy glove box kind of guy. Now, we got the center console. I don't know if I'm gonna like the center console organizer because I keep my beats in here and it might be a pain in the ass taking it in and out. Let's see. All right, there's really nothing to this one. Comes with these sticky mats in here, kind of nice. But this goes right in. That's it. See how I like it? I don't know about that one. Alright, that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. I think my next video for the Tacoma is going to be a review on my windshield tint and the sides. I'll do like a day and night review, tell you how I can see, show you how it looks. I personally think it's like the best combo, but stay tuned. What is good? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got the Tacoma here. It's going to be a quick review. No. What is good? Come on, plane. Really?